today we're taking a look at Smile Brilliant Sleep Night Guard. Hopped online, started searching for different places that sell night guards, and I came across Smile Brilliant. Now the first process is that they're gonna send you a mold. You're gonna take the molds, put them in your mouth. So once you get these in the mail, they come in this nice little casing, and when you open it up, you're gonna find 2 custom-made night guards for your mouth. I'm gonna use the top, so we're gonna go ahead and test this out tonight. Wear this all night, and I'm gonna come back tomorrow morning and let you know my first thoughts on the Smile Brilliant Night. Latex and BPA free. All the links will be in the description below. If you wanna go ahead and check these out, go down there. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe. Thank you, and I will see you on the next one.